Here it is, my pumpkin spice latte, low sugar and loaded with health benefits. You want to check this out. Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe. Hey there, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. It's fall and I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious and low sugar pumpkin simple syrup. So you can add that to your pumpkin spice lattes, you can add it to smoothies, you can even make mocktails with it. This is a great simple syrup, so versatile, and I just reduced the sugar as much as I could, and I'm also using coconut palm sugar, which is lower on the glycemic index than regular white sugar. So here are the ingredients for my pumpkin simple syrup. We have coconut palm sugar, pumpkin puree, a little pumpkin spice, and water. And it's simple. We're just adding some water, coconut palm sugar. I would give that a little mix. Then you want to get your pumpkin puree in there. Mix it in with a whisk so it kind of combines nicely. I'm going to add the pumpkin spice. And really we're just going to heat this enough to where everything is combined and melted. Now that is looking great, and that's what you want. You want that bubbly look. And it's finally got a light boil going, and now we will take it off the heat. We're gonna run it through the strainer. You wanna strain it. I like keeping my simple syrups in a pretty jar. So here it is, my pumpkin spice simple syrup reduced sugar. For those of you who are loving the pumpkin spice latte for the fall, this is just gonna offer just a lower sugar version of that pumpkin simple syrup that you see at your favorite coffee shop. Okay, so let's get started and make that pumpkin spice latte reduced sugar. Let's get going. I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy pumpkin spice latte. It is fall and this is what we want right now. Pumpkin spice latte, but we want the healthy version. So first step is I've got my milk froth going. So I've got plant-based milk in here and it's frothing. I've turned on my tea kettle to warm up some hot water. Now I'm gonna make one quick shot of espresso. I love making lattes, especially when my girlfriends come by and I wanna give them something healthy that they're gonna enjoy. So a little pick-me-up, but we're gonna add some healthy ingredients like coconut oil to boost the immune system. And I'm talking over the espresso maker because we got things going on. I'm also adding maca powder to it, which is great for women over 50, especially for hormone balance. It also helps with energy levels. These are things that are important to us, right? Okay, so we're just gonna start quickly with one shot of espresso. I have made my reduced sugar pumpkin spice simple syrup, and I'm gonna add about 3 teaspoons of the reduced sugar pumpkin spice simple syrup. Get it all combined. It's happy. Now that I've got my shot of espresso, my reduced sugar pumpkin spice simple syrup, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon, all you need is 1 teaspoon of this maca powder. Okay, so it's known and thought to reduce the symptoms of menopause. Is it clinically proven? I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is it can possibly help us. We're gonna use it. We're gonna use anything possible. Okay, can put that in there. Just gonna do this. Once the maca powder is in, I like to add a tablespoon of coconut oil. You've probably heard me say this in my other lattes. It's so good for you. Antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial. It's gonna help boost our immune system and it will melt nicely into that espresso. I love adding hot water to my lattes. It just bumps up the warm liquid, and obviously it's no calorie, which is great. Okay, so my milk is done frothing. Love my frothed milk. And we're just gonna add that to my mixture that I've got in here, the maca powder, the coconut oil, the pumpkin spice reduced sugar simple syrup. Then I'm just gonna add some frothed milk on the top. So yummy, so fall. Now, of course, I need to add some cinnamon. And cinnamon is good for us. It's clinically shown to help reduce blood sugar levels. So add your cinnamon, people, add your cinnamon. I like to add a little bit of edible flower petals. Just buy the edible flowers that you see at the grocery store. If you make this latte for your girlfriends when they come over, they're gonna love you. They've got maca powder in there to help with hormone issues. We've got coconut oil to boost immunity. We've got reduced sugar, pumpkin, spice, simple syrup. Does it get any better? Here you go, fall in a cup. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.